So, welcome to my stream back again. Good evening again. A warm greeting to you all, and welcome to you guys. Uh, I'm back, everyone. After 2 whole weeks, guys. After 2 whole weeks, I am back. Uh, I don't want to talk or I don't want to revise the chart very previously to 2 weeks just right now, but I would like to tell that I'm really very sorry. I am very very much sorry, and I'm back now, but I don't think that I will be streaming another week or so, but I will be inconsistently be streaming uh, in the middle too. I mean, uh, if you have okay, let's not do it. Okay, so I was not okay. Let's just do it. I was not live. I mean, I was not streaming this whole session, this whole days all 20 whole days, maybe. I mean, 2 weeks, not what. Let's just not calculate that 2 weeks into 20 days, okay? So, yeah, this was a trade, but okay, let's not talk about it right now. So, this basically was the box, right? We were trapped in. This was the box that we were trapped in when I previously streamed, okay, and then this broke out. This line broke out, and this line could not break out. Uh, the highs over here could not be broken over here, and it did get stuck for like seven whole days. Okay, 7 whole days, and then I took the trade over here, as you guys can see. Took it very carefully at the breaking point. Okay, breakout point, I mean. This was the breakout point, and this trade was not about no liquidity, you know. It was just about like it was about to break out. The trade was about to break out, and the stop loss was very large in this trade. I just meant to keep it very large because I just wanted to hold some trade after so long days, and I took it, and it went pretty well, pretty well. The demand was not measured in this trade. I did nothing but, let's say, just kept it to my luck. It broke out, and it faked out, but after sweeping the order block over here, and it went straight up into like the point where it could not break the resistance, and then the market is now over here resting above all the breaking points, and the market is over here, the region high. It is very cool after a very downfall of Bitcoin. Yeah, it is trying to go up from over here, or maybe, yeah, you can tell that. Now let us see our trade of now. So this trade is basically also not taken by seeing nothing, but in 15 minutes you guys will see here a breakout. Okay, now it is a official breakout. If you guys will see in 5 minutes, this point was the support range which was swept and tried to go up, comes back to put take the order block, and now it is trying to take my stop loss too. Just because it cannot sweep the order block of over here, let's just increase the risk, because after long, you are just taking a trade and you don't want to see it getting stopped out just like that. It is a very low risk capital, so I don't mind keeping some big stop losses too if you want some big targets. But I don't think this will work. Why? Because I was in very hurry taking this trade and not realizing that uh, this okay, so this whole demand, uh, half demand is has already been added over here, right? So this portion of market is the half, half demand of this whole demand, this one. Then I didn't, you know mark that before taking the trade, and so this demand is of like over here, and this demand, this half one, has also been placed over here, right? This whole demand, this equivalent, this and this half. Okay, you guys have understood, I guess. And now the demanding zone is like none. Okay, so every demand has been placed in the market. Now the demand that needs to come over here is just by this demand again, this one, because the liquidity of this point has been swept from over here. So basically it makes sense if I get this demand in the market over here. Okay, so but I don't think so, because of like because the market already had kept this demand as the demand of over here. So but try I will try this trade until I get stopped out. uh, Anyways, guys, how's your new year been? I mean, 50 days of 2026 has already went like very quick, and I have not been streaming too. I know that I have gone quite a bit busy. Anyways, I won't talk much because of some technical issues. So this will be the trade today. Okay, everyone, enjoy. At this point, guys, at this point, I just want to tell you that if I had, if I just had not done this, bro, I would have regretted it so badly. You know what I mean? So, guys, if you want to trust yourself, you just need to risk it a bit more than you think you should. I hope you get that point. Because if I had not increased it a bit, then I would not have got this big candle as my happiness. Okay, let's check now. Okay, so it's amazing. I mean, like, this was unexpected trade, really very unexpected. Unexpected. I mean, it it was not supposed to go like this. I don't think it is like, oh my god. Okay, like 5 minutes candle like this is a really very crazy thing. Okay, let me book it. Let me just, okay, just in one candle, guys. Let's go. It is amazing, man. It is literally amazing. Let's go, guys. Let's go, everyone. You just have to join my live, man. You just have to do is press over here, and you are in beautiful trades like this. Let's go, everyone. After a very long life, not disappointed by my trust level in discipline. Okay, so this is what I do. I was doubting myself for a time, like this was the support, and the market went up, tried to take order block of here, but it failed and took the order block over from here. uh, Maybe you can just say it from like a next support, you know and yeah, it did it just like that. The next support was it. This support played out very well in just one single candle, guys. Let's go. I was not expecting. I was like, I already doubted myself like an 80%, and I was like, okay, if this order block did not play out well over here, you guys can see this green candle right here. I thought it did play it out after breaking this support again, and after this red candle getting in the middle over, like over here, I was like, nah, this is not happening. Let me go over here, and yep, that was it. It was it, guys. That was it. I was like, uh, after a long, I'm live, if I if I don't just increase my stop loss, then I will have to end the stream taking some losses, and the capital was also a bit small, honestly. So the courage to increase the stop loss was very high in my heart. I did it, guys. I did it. Let's go. After 2 whole weeks in the stream, I think that I should have streamed this live too, but this was a very long trade. I mean, this went a whole day in my point of view. Like, yeah, 11 hours. This went a whole day. This was a hectic stream if I had, but I did not. That was very good decision of mine. And now the stream is about uh, 35 minutes. Let me not make it more longer, but I don't know. If the stream is very short like this, the viewer might be very disappointed on me. Like, this trades nothing, you know? Like, how is the trade closed in just 35 minutes? Like this, guys, like this. Okay. Oh my god. Like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay. Okay, I'm a just end. I'm a just end it, you know. This was a not explained purely, but I mean, I explained it. I explained all of the points, like the demand over here, and the demand over here, the demand over here, the three demands, the three important demands. Now the market might just be fluctuating because the demand is over, you know. This demand exactly is just over. Now that the market might fluctuate like so, you know. After all, the market is going up, but it might just fluctuate more. But I don't care. I'm ending the stream. I'm going to sleep. The days were very hard previously. I mean the previous week. Okay, so this was it. This was it for today. I hope you guys. I mean, you guys, of course, will enjoy this because I enjoyed it a lot in like 3, 4, 5 minutes. You know, this candle doesn't have any wick, guys. Like 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute. Boom! That is it. That is it. It's done. Anyways, after 2 weeks of streaming, uh, this was the result that I showed in the stream. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys liked it. Uh, I'm gonna be streaming tomorrow, maybe not. Okay, but I will keep the distance of my streaming like 3, 4 days, max to max 4 days. Yeah, so I'm gonna be streaming in some gaps, but just for like 1 or 2 weeks more. Okay, so till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you all, and good night.